Being frugal is the best way to achieve success. Warren Buffett became a millionaire by following the practice of being frugal. If you also want to become rich like him, then you must begin following his habits. In this video we will tell you the 15 frugal living tips of Warren Buffett that really works. So let's start. 1. Live below your means. Avoiding wasteful spending and leading a simple life are key components of living within your means. This is crucial for boosting savings and lowering financial stress. Buffett favors living a good life over being a consumer. His entire life, he has been content with his quality of living. His preferences are straightforward, thus he doesn't feel the need to invest in a large estate, a yacht, or a sports vehicle. He doesn't want to cope with the hassle of handling many items. Cars don't fascinate me, and I don't want to make people envy, said Warren Buffett. Don't equate the standard of living with the cost of living, he suggested. 2. Put money in yourself first. Future prospects and income potential can improve with an investment in your abilities, education, and well-being. This is an excellent long-term investment with several potential returns. Your talents and knowledge can help you avoid financial hardship. Putting money into your own development can enable you to spend less money on skills you don't need, because you have the ability to do them on your own. Do subscribe our channel if you want to get more financial tips. 3. Comprehend the worth of money. Beyond the cost, one must understand the true worth of money. It requires being aware of the work required to obtain that money as well as the actual value of the things it may be used to purchase. 4. Avoid losing money. By protecting your cash and steering clear of dangerous investments, you may gradually increase your wealth. Before choosing an investment, keep possible losses in mind at all times. Don't lose money by rashly investing or spending. 5. Avoid getting into debt. Your financial independence may be restricted by debt, which may weigh you down. It is preferable to avoid debt if feasible and to give current debts first priority. It's a good idea to get out of debt since it makes managing personal money much simpler. 6. Save your money before spending anywhere. You may make sure that your money is continually increasing by giving saving priority. It aids you in staying on track with your spending plan and serves as a preventative measure. Make sure you get paid first on your list of obligations. Pay yourself first. If you don't, for whom are you working? Spend what is left over after saving instead of conserving what is left over after spending, advises Warren Buffett. 7. Keep credit cards balances low. It is expensive to borrow money because credit card debt sometimes has hefty interest rates. Over time, you may significantly reduce your debt by not using credit cards. Many consumers follow Buffett's advice, believing that paying down their big credit card debt will provide the highest returns. If you're clever, you can generate a sizable income without taking out any loans. 8. Maintain your financial plan. Implementing Buffett's personal financial concepts is done through your budget. You may better manage your income and spending with the aid of a well-thought-out budget. Your spending decisions might be guided by it, and it can also help you avoid overspending and promote saving. 9. Select durable goods when shopping. Buying a great business at a fair price is preferable to buying a great business at a fair price, said Warren Buffett in a recent interview. Just as Buffett seeks for value in his assets, you should do the same with your purchases. You'll spend more upfront on high-quality things since they typically last longer, but you'll save money over time. One high-quality item is preferable than replacing low-quality items on a regular basis. 10. Adopt a classic approach rather than following trends. Spending wastefully might result from following trends, particularly when such trends disappear fast. You may get more bang for your buck by investing in timeless things. Buffett never sought to impress others with showy goods. He always wore the same classic shoes and drove basic vehicles. 11. Exercise patience when making budgetary purchases. Living frugally is frequently a long-term endeavor. If you continue to make wise financial decisions, you may reap more advantages in the future by being patient and allowing your savings and investments to take time to develop. 12. Give value priority over price. I appreciate purchasing high-quality goods when they are on sale, whether we're talking about stocks or equities, according to Warren Buffett. Something may be inexpensive without necessarily being a good value. You will receive the best value for your money if you put value above price. Everything from buying clothing to investing in stocks may be covered by this. 13. Do not purchase anything that you do not require. Financial stress may result from overspending on pointless purchases. To keep your finances in good shape, it's important to distinguish between needs and wants. If you spend your money on unnecessary items, you won't have any left over for investing or saving. In the worst-case situation, excessive spending and poor impulse control might result in you losing your house or having your automobile seized. 14. Set aside some of each paycheck for savings. You must invest and save some of your earned cash. Being thrifty is the first stage, then saving is the second, and investing is the third. Regularly setting aside a percentage of your salary might aid in amassing a sizable nest egg over time. It's a reliable approach to make sure you're setting aside money for the future. 15. Make investments in areas you are familiar with. Sir Warren Buffett is credited with the maxim, never invest in a business you cannot comprehend. Making educated judgments and lowering your risk of loss come from investing in what you understand. You are more likely to choose wisely if you understand the ins and outs of an investment. By learning to invest on your own and avoiding expensive money management fees, you may be economical and save money. 16. Avoid putting yourself at unnecessary financial risk. Warren Buffett once said that risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Risk-taking can result in big losses if it is done without proper planning. In order to prevent potentially devastating results, be sure you comprehend the ramifications of your financial actions. You run a higher danger of losing them if your income declines if you take on large mortgages and auto payments that you can stomach to make. Taking up significant monetary risks is not frugal. 17. Avoid attempting to keep up with the Joneses. By purchasing a superboat or a house in Beverly Hills, Buffett never sought to keep up with Jeff Bezos. Spending foolishly might result from comparing oneself to others in terms of material goods. Instead of comparing yourself to other people, concentrate on your own financial requirements and ambitions. Be sincere with who you are and your desires. That's all for this video. I hope you now know all the best frugal living ways. And also in this video we promised to tell you 15 tips, but we gave 2 extra for all the viewers who stayed till the end. If you missed those 2, then just rewind and watch them. Do subscribe our channel if you are new and also hit the like button. 1 like motivates us to make more videos. Do share the video with your friends and also let us know in the comments if we have done any mistakes. Thank you for watching the video till here. Keep supporting us.